Hello and welcome guys to the using Maltego tool. So now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, I will tell you about Maltego tool and then how you can perform social engineering attack using Maltego that I'm going to show you inside this video. So what you need to do here, you need to open Kali Linux operating system, and there I'm going to show you that how you can log in inside Maltego and then how you can perform social engineering. So guys, I'm here at Kali Linux operating system, and let me show you about social engineering tool Maltego. So if you can click on applications, if you can select social engineering tool, then you can find Maltego right here, right? You can click here and you can open it inside Kali Linux operating system. So we have also learned about Maltego in the information gathering section, right? In information gathering section of this course, we have learned that how to create a username and password inside Maltego and then how you can log in. So I'm going to use the same login and password in this video to insert inside Maltego software. So this is Maltego, you can see here, right? So we are going to use the free version here, right? So I'm going to use the third one. Click run, and here it will provide you the login panel in which you need to type the email address, password, you need to type the captcha, and then you can hit next. Then you will be able to log in inside Maltego. Otherwise you need to create an account. So let me type my username, which is email address, and then you need to type the password, and then you need to solve the captcha here, and then you can hit next. So now you can see guys that I've successfully logged in inside Maltego. It is saying that hello Sunil, welcome to Maltego Community Edition. And as you know that we are using the free version of Maltego, right? Now you can hit next, getting various transforms from Maltego here, setting up for us, right? These all are the transforms here, right? For example, this is installed, but it is not installed. So you can also install various transforms here. You can hit next, and you can click finish. So we have successfully logged in inside Maltego Community Edition here. So here it is. First of all, you can click on Windows, you can click Home. So let me show you something about transform. For example, you can see that Petervas, CTAS, this is installed, but Shodan is not installed, right? So if you want to gather more information about a person, system, or anything, you can install as many transforms as possible, right? For example, if you want to add Shodan, so you can click install, you can click yes, and it will install inside your Maltego Community Edition. So there are many free transforms available which can be used. Click finish, and here you can see that it is installed. So Shodan is installed. You can also add any other. For example, if you are searching for a movie, so you can click install and it will install movie database right here in the Maltego. Now you can click here on the top, right? So it will open up a graph like this. This is new graph 1, and these all are the information you can use. This is a palette in which you can see, for example, groups is available, infrastructure, if you want to gather information about locations, malware, penetration testing, personal devices, social networks, these all are available, right? You can use anyone. For example, you can try personal here, right? For example, if there is any person you want to gather information about any person, drag and drop here, right? And you can change the name here. For example, Bill Gates. And after that you can click right click here. You can click all transformations, click on each and everything, right click and click on everything. Then it will provide you information about Bill Gates. Some transformation require your login and password. For example, Twitter one. If you are logged in inside Twitter, then you will be able to use it. Otherwise you cannot, right? So I got something about Bill Gates here. Let me show you. So if you can check here that this is Bill Gates, and we have gathered some information about Bill Gates. I'm not talking about a single individual, the richest person in the world. There can be any other person, right? So you can see here that it is showing me Hotmail, Gmail accounts. Basically, this is not related to the actual Bill Gates. So you can see this one, bill.gates@microsoft.com. Obviously, this is email ID of Bill Gates because it is from Microsoft company. windowslive.com, bgates@msn.com, right? These all are the email IDs we can gather from internet, right? You can say billgates@microsoft.com. So these all are the information you can gather using Maltego tool. And you can see here this is a kind of hierarchy. There are many transformations you can use here, right? Similarly, you can try, for example, let me show you something else. This is about a company. So for example, if you want to get information about Google, right? I want to get information about Google company. So you can hit Google, you can right click here, and actually there is no transformation because we need to add transformation from the home page, right? So still there is no transformation in organization, United Nations. You need to add the transformations also from the home page. We have not installed it yet, right? You can also get information about a domain, for example peterwa.com. You can right click here and you can see here that these transformations are available here. For example, DNS name, mail server, and domains. So these all are information available here. So you can also gather information if you have installed various kind of transformations inside Maltego, then you can gather it, right? You can see here these all are the domain names available here, and you can also gather information about email addresses, entities, right? IP addresses from port, so you can run it if you want, and persons, phone numbers from who is website quick lookup, right? You can gather more information about website. And if you can see inside domain, then you can get information about a URL means a website, locations, circular area, GPS coordinates. For example, this is GPS coordinate. If you can change something inside it, for example, you can also edit it. So let me try it 80, and you can right click here, and you can search for to location, and you can see here the location is County Road 517 Overhill, Upshur County, West Virginia, USA, right? So that's how you can gather information about coordinates. You can also gather information about a country, port, services, allies, person, tweet accounts, etc. And you can also add more if you simply click on home page. So these all are the transforms available here. You can see that inside Maltego we didn't get the complete transforms because we have not installed everything. You can see there are various free transforms available here. You just need to install it everything, and then you will be able to use it. For example, this one, social links, right? People mon, get information about person. So you can add as many as you can, and you will get more and more information about any person, system, company, or anything else. So that's how Maltego works. Using Maltego, we can gather information about anything, and that is called social engineering attack using Maltego tool. In the next video, we are going to learn about browser exploitation framework. Thank you.